Kamiti iria irathuturagia githagathago gia cukari utakinyaniirie ikiro ni Igeria na igutha inene tho wa mbunge gutiania riboti iria iraharirio ni kamiti ino.
Agree with the report that
magitania riboti ino ambunge ni maugite ati kamiti ino ndinahingia wendi wa muingi hamwe na mbunge wa kwenda kumenya kana hii cukari uyu uri na thumu muthemba wa mercury.
As many as the counter opinion say no. The nays have it.
Ikamiti ino ya meba 38 iratongorio ni mbunge wake ni Kanini Kega igitamania bunge ni mendekithia marifoti yao kuria hari mendekithia macio ni minister wake na Henry Rotich uria wari minister wa Igada Eden Mohammed na uria wari minister wa urimi thirikari-ini hituku Willy Bett mathitago.
The Directorate of Criminal Investigation and Ethics and Anti-Corruption should investigate the then Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries to establish the circumstances under which the CS recommended waiver on duty for the 14 companies which imported sugar under Gazette Notice number 9802.
No mutongoria wa aria bunge-ini John Badi agikirira nganja kugwetwo kwa makabuni 14 maria marehire cukari thegia ihinda riria riaheanitwo gutiriho. Badi akiuga kamiti ino nihithire maritwa ma makabuni maya iguru wa kiria ugite ni muoroto muhithe. Nake mutongoria wa aria bunge-ini Eden Duale akiuga ati na gitumi kiganu gia kuhamurithia ma minister aya muhongererithi wao itianyitirwo ugeni na omandia nyitire ugeni uria wari minister wa urimi Willy Bett uguo magacukirwo kwihoka muhuhu.
In this report that one would use to implicate Rotich to take personal responsibility for Gazette Notice 4536. If you said generally, I would understand.
The Constitution is very clear on how you impeach a minister and you remove him from the office. The Speaker, you gave a communication that the grounds for removal of a minister, of a CS, the threshold, Mr. Speaker, is so high that I am sure the only debate, the only impeachment process that went through this House was when Honorable Kaimenyi was being impeached.
To get evidence which are extraneous and bring to Parliament so that when people will be investigated as they should, then they will say on the doctrine of estoppel that these matters had already been canvassed in the National Assembly, that these things are now mute, that they can now not be investigated.
Riboti ino igithie na mbere gutungia uregani-ini ambunge murionanitie kunyitwo ugeni kwa arugamiria honge ribatie kugathikira mitaratara ya wagirirwo na muigana wa cukari uria wabatie guka bururi-ini. Ningi riboti ino ikionania honge cia uthurimi wa kana cukari ni uri na mercury iria itari cia thirikari ni ciakirwo muhinga. Ambunge makiuga riboti ino o ringi ti nginyaniru.
Is the sugar safe or not safe? No other question. When my Madare people drink sugar, and they drink a lot of it, by the way, are they going to die of cancer because of lead or mercury? This is the only question.
We need a definite answer on the issue of mercury, whether it is there or not, Mr. Speaker. And also for companies. Others, we have called their names as Diamond Trust. Others, we are saying in Webuye. Which one are these ones which are in Webuye, Mr. Speaker?
Riri tiria mbere riboti ya kamiti ino yanacukira nganja mwico ikuhi ameba ni marokanire gwikirikana ni athogirwo mugaro na uria maiguaniire. Makabuni ma cukari goko Kenya riu makiriga mekwihanda atia kuna kiganda kia Mumias gibataire ciringi bilioni 12 kwihanda riri na kio gia Sony Sugar kirarandirwo ciringi bilioni 2.5 thiri wa KRA. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.